My stay at Ayenda Bochica has been rather pleasant. It's a nice place, has a workstation, conveniently located receptacle, a TV set, which I took advantage of and put a fire stick on. Nice modern lighting, comfortable bed, a little nightstand, see a remote for the TV set, telephone, which I didn't need, light switch so I don't have to get up and go to the door to turn off the overhead, light switch for the bathroom, a very nice bathroom, complete with toilet seat. Yeah, don't take that for granted in Latin America. And yeah, there is cover for the trash can. And came with soap. Nice window, a little bit of a view, the roof and hill, still in town. Came with a towel and hot water. Yes, nice hot water. So, a place to hang your towel. It's got a mirror, a couple mirrors. Really nice. They give you a look outside the room in the hallway. It's quite nice. Got some natural lighting. You can follow the stairs down. And there's I assume a 24-hour desk because every time I went, there was someone there. They're very friendly. And there's a little couch to sit down and relax if you're waiting on a taxi and what have you. So, peace out from Tunja, Colombia. More to come.